Number 6, destiny. Adjustment is your means of getting from life exactly what you wish. You will have to meet many changes, opposite opinions, responsibilities, and unpleasant situations. If you face them straight on and adjust wherever necessary, your number promises you satisfaction and you will find happiness and contentment. You will often play the role of peacemaker since you have the understanding and patience to see both sides of a dispute and make the involved parties come to some mutual agreement. You can see through clouds of disharmony, finding a meeting ground for both people and point out the pleasant side of their relationship. However, you must use diplomacy and persuasion rather than force in bringing about a solution. The wisdom with which you meditate can also be used to great advantage within groups or organizations, as well as in family life. You can safely be classified a do-gooder in the nicest sense of the word, and to everyone's advantage. Love is the reigning factor in your life, and your destiny dictates that you teach the meaning of love to all humanity through your strong sense of justice. In your personal relationships, you give strength, comfort, and lasting love or friendship, and are always there when needed and wanted. You must always have beauty, peace, and harmony in your surroundings, especially in your home. Your home and family are your immediate concern, and once they have established your brand of happiness there, you extend it elsewhere. Unselfishness is one of your main characteristics. It allows you to teach both old and young all you feel and have learned, with the hope that it will be of some value in pointing out their direction in life. Always sympathetic and understanding, you find it easy to counsel the troubled without ever being critical. A great connoisseur of the finer things in life, you express your appreciation of the arts by being very creative in these fields. Your home is generally a showplace of your interests, yet it expresses the warmth of your personality and charm. Many unwelcome responsibilities will fall to you, and you will not find them easy to cope with. But you know that to face up to them and fulfill them to the best of your ability will only add to your overall understanding of life and the attainment of your own true happiness. You are cognizant of the additional strength you will acquire with the conquest of each adversity. Eventually, these adversities will be like rolling water off a duck's back and will never try you beyond your endurance. You are a great humanitarian and show it every chance you get. Your few negatives are extravagance, overprotectiveness, and being a bit of a worrywart. You may also meddle in affairs that don't concern you in an effort to make others understand what you think is wrong, though they haven't asked for your advice. You also may not allow other people their own frailties if they are inconsistent with yours.